It's time for the KSHB 41 Weather Academy, sponsored by Idea Space KC, powered by the Barstow School.
Welcome to this edition of Weather Academy. I'm meteorologist Wes Peery. Today we're going to talk about something so simple, you probably never think about it, but why is the sky blue? We're so used to seeing it blue. Why is that? Well, let's think about what's in the sky. A bunch of air molecules, oxygen, nitrogen, a bunch of other elements and molecules in there. But what's happening is the beam of sun, which is actually white, but it comprised of all of the visible light colors. Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. They're all hitting the air molecules, but the blue and the violet are the most scattered out first. And when I say scattered, I mean if it's just the right amount of scattering, we're essentially painting or we're coloring the sky in that blue. This is also technically called Rayleigh scattering. That's why the sky is blue. Simply Rayleigh scattering. But you'll notice, it's sunset, sunrise, it's orange. Well, sometimes the blues get totally scattered out. You can't see it. As the sun is going through more layers of the atmosphere, then the oranges, the reds, and the pinks start to become more apparent. Something that also may become more apparent is the fact that the hue of blue is changing through the seasons. Have you noticed this? The warm season, it's kind of a lighter shade. The cold seasons, it's a cobalt blue. Two reasons. One, more air molecules in the sky in the warm season. And two, the sun is at a lower angle in the cold season. That means the air molecules are scattering more of the sun's rays, and therefore you get a darker blue with maybe a little bit of a violet trying to be matched in there. So just take note of this. Watch as the sky turns darker blue as we go into the wintertime.
The KSHB 41 Weather Academy, sponsored by Idea Space KC, powered by the Barstow School. Join our Facebook group today.